Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to bevel edge. So for example, you can create new sketch and I will choose the top plane. Okay, you can draw rectangle, click OK and use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to bevel the edge, like in the top face here, you can use the chamfer tools, click the icon chamfer. You can bevel one edge or you can select the face to bevel all top face edge. If you done, you can click OK to apply. So to bevel again, you can use the chamfer tools, select the edge, and click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Onshape tutorial how to bevel edge.